Hey everyone, welcome to Study with Kaur. My name is Jasmine Kaur, or on this channel you do biology which you're familiar of. But today we are going to start with a new subject which is mathematics, and we'll start with banking chapter, a small introduction on banking and the first 3 questions of its exercise. Then next time we will increase the speed to the 10 questions. Okay, so we will cover this whole chapter. So I am here to tell you about class 10 ICSE, and you will learn a lot of things from this platform, from this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like, and please press on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So today we are going to do the formula and the chapter. Now, I stands for interest. Means after this paying of this principal amount, you have to give them extra. If the loan is of 3 lakhs, you have to pay 350 or 360. It is 3,60,000. Okay, that's 60,000. It's in Hindi you call it as bias. That is your interest. Clear? This P stands for principal value or principal amount. How much amount you need to pay. N stands for number of months. N plus 1, and R stands for rate of interest. R stands for rate of interest. There are that is percentage of rate of interest, whatever it comes. The second formula is MV is equals to P into N plus I. You have to remember it's plus. Over here also it's plus. Clear? This is, you need to know that. So MV stands for maturity value. N, if I have taken, if the loan has been taken of 3 years, so at the end of the 3 years, how much you pay, that is that. Even if you're like, FD karana, FD. If when you do FD, then also you get the money with an interest, and after a few years, how much you get, that's the maturity value. It's the principal amount N stands for number of months and I stands for interest. मतलब कितना principal amount कितने महीने के लिए और उसके साथ उसका interest, that totals and becomes your maturity value. Clear? So these are the 2 formulas which we will use in this whole chapter of banking. And the sums are very easy, but you need to know, because sometimes they twist the question. If when they give you interest or maturity value, these are the 2 confusing part of this chapter, because these really are really tough. Means they twist it. They get this much money as interest at the end of maturity. Now you're confused that it's at interest or at maturity, then it will be maturity value. So it's a confusing. Okay, when you will solve questions, so today what question we are going to solve are based on these 2. Then per month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years, you have to convert this in months. At 8% interest, find the maturity value, that is matured value, that is MV. So for finding the MV, that is a matured value, you need to know the interest. So over here, interest is not given. You have to take out MV, you have to take out. Now, let's talk about its P is given, that is rupees 1000. Clear? And rate of interest is 8%. And years, that is in months, you have to convert, that is 3 into 12. That is a 36 months. So this is what, according to the formula, you have to put it. So let's do the N. N plus 1 into R upon 2 into 12 into 100. So interest is, please don't put it as 24, because 12 will cut directly, okay? So it's 1000 into, for how many months? 3 years, that is equals to 36 months into 37, that is 36 plus 137 into, what's the interest? It's 8. what's the rate of interest. This is 8%. So 8 over here. 2 into 12 into 100. So you can directly cut it out. So you have 10 over here. So 12 ones are, 12 threes are. Clear? 2 ones are, 2 5. So what you have is 5 into 3 into 37 into 8. 50 into 37 into 8. 15 or 8 are. So it will come 4,440 rupees. So this is your interest. Now let's take out the MV, that is your maturity value. After doing the question, I will again explain what I did is, so this is maturity value, which is P into N plus I. It's not in multiplication, it's in addition. Please remember that. Clear? So MB is equals to P, what it is a value? It's 1000 into 36, that is 36,000. Clear? Plus, what is the interest? 4,440, which will come as, so this is your maturity value. So this is the amount that the person will get after. We have to take out the interest. The formula is principal into number of months into number of months plus 1 into R. That is your rate of interest. So we have put it the value of P, which is 1,000 because it's per month what you are paying. Because for 3 years, so we have converted 3 into 12. We have got it as 36. Clear? Into 37, because over here it will be 36 plus 1, so we have got it 37, and the rate of interest was 8%, so we have put it 8 over here. Then 2 into 12 into 100 as the formula states you. So after multiplying, we are getting the value as 4,440. Then we will put or substitute the value into the formula of maturity value. So this is the formula for that. It's P, that is your 36,000 plus interest what you have paid, that is 4,440. When we will sum it, we will get 40,440. So this will be the Sonia has a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposit 600 per month. That will be your principal amount, that will be P. Okay. For 2.5 years, if the rate of interest was 10% per year or per annum, it will be per annum, find maturity value. So you have to find the interest, okay, and then maturity value. So it's the same type of question again. So let's do it. Let's divide the page into 2. So the formula will be I is equals to P into N plus 1 into R upon 2 into 12 into 100. The same formula will be used again. So let's put the values over here. I, we have not got any value, so we'll leave it as it is. The rate into the month, what, how much months? It's a 2.5, 24 plus 6, that is a 30. Into 31 into, the rate was 10%. 2 into 12 into 100. You can slightly cut it out. So it will be 2, 1, 15. Can you go with 3, 4, 5? Yeah. Then can be cut like this. Teresa. So anything left? No. So we'll put the value here, 3 into 25 into 31. Clear? There is no remainder left over here, or in the division there is nothing left. So it will never come in over here in fraction. So it will be 325, that will be 75 into 31, which will be, let me do it, 75, 31. Gives you 5, 7, which will give you 15, it will give you 1 over here. So 21, 22. So it will be 5, 12, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. So it will be 2, 3, 2, 5. You can also tell you with your answer given at the back, it will be the same, okay? Because I have did the calculation in front of you. Make it as a rough one. Yeah, and on your notebooks also, whenever you are doing it in the examination sheet also of your board exam, always draw a rough column. Please don't make it so dirty, or you can even say not. So it's P into N plus I. Clear? The same formula will apply, P into N plus I. So P over here, principal value is 600 into N is 30 plus interest has came to 325. So it will be 24, no, 8, sorry, it's 18. So let's multiply as it will be 18,000 plus 20,025. It will fetch you 20,325, 20,325. Okay, this will be your maturity value. So he will get, or Sonia will get this after 2.5 years, which she will pay every month 600 rupees. Now let's move on to the question number 3. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment. Value is rupees 200. Clear? Interest, first of all, we have to find, then only we can find the maturity value. Fine. So interest is P into N, N plus 1 to R upon 2 into 12 into 100. Same formula. So P is 200, 56, 37. Rate of interest is 11%. 2 into 12 into 100. 1. Now this directly cuts off. So write it like so. This we are getting it out. Okay. So it's 1 times. It's 3 times. So what is the remainder? 3 into 37 into 11. So it's 33 into. Now let's find the maturity value, which is again and again I'm repeating the same thing, that you learn it. You hear it and you learn it. The formula, not the whole sum. Fine, learn the method. Understand the method. So MV is P is your 200 into 36. If it's written 1 year, please don't write 1 exactly like that. It's 12 months. Please convert it, okay? Interest is 11. Interest is 1, 2 to 1. So we are getting over here. Getting over here. 7,200 plus 1,221. So get it 8. 321. So this we are getting as our money. Okay, this is our MB. A small explanation of banking. So I hope you have understand very well, and please watch my part 2, which will come very very soon for next questions. And if you have any doubt, please comment it. I will really solve it and give you at the earliest time. So please share this video with your friends, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon. Till that time, bye bye.